Introducing the African Diaspora News Channel app, your gateway to stories that's overlooked by the corporate mainstream media.
And we serve as the voice to the so-called Black community.
Here we got Dr. Candace Matthews.
A lot of these documents, looking at.
We are committed to informing and educating through the power of media.
This country is supposed to be about the land of the free for all. It has not been free for Black people, and we are tired.
With our platform, we're helping to end injustice by exposing it.
Join us in standing for excellence in journalism and serving our community. Download the African Diaspora News app today.
Tensions escalate between EFF and MK party, threatening unity in progressive caucus. Hello and welcome to the African Diaspora News channel. My name is Vuyo Mgwelo, and please do like, subscribe and leave your comments. They are appreciated. Now, raising tensions between the economic freedom fighters and the MK party are threatening to destabilize the progressive caucus in parliament. Now, this has raised concerns over the future of key policy initiatives. The two parties, while aligned on various social and economic reforms, have clashed over strategic differences and leadership priorities. Now, to keep you updated on the latest of what has been happening between the two parties, the EFF defections highlight the shifting of political alliances. Two of the key figures of the economic freedom fighters have led for Umkhonto weSizwe, which is led by the former President Jacob Zuma. Now, this is already going to cause a clash, and I feel like it's going to be one of the biggest shifts that we are going to have in South Africa. Now, the center of the conflict, it is also a disagreement over land distribution policies and approaches to state-owned enterprises reformed. Now, to also explain more is that the former EFF chairperson, Advocate Udali Mpofu, hopes that the two parties, the Red Berets, can form a political party with Umkhonto weSizwe. I'm thinking, in my own opinion, how will he trust? This is a party that two of his key figures left for. Now, if you want to, please delve into the comments. Do not forget to leave your comments because they are appreciated here. And I'm going to leave it here. Hit the like, subscribe button. And I am Vuyo Mgwelo, coming to you all the way from Johannesburg for African Diaspora Channel.